this video, we'll show you how to install and adjust both of the tinting accessories for the Freestyle Edge RGB keyboard. The lift kit is designed to be used with the palm supports. The V3 Pro kit is designed to be used without the palm supports. Insert the V-lifter's two end tabs into the rectangular holes. Lower the V-lifter and snap the two squeeze tabs into the palm rest. Repeat with the other side. To remove the palm supports, hold the key module in one hand and the palm support in the other hand. Simply pull the palm support straight away from the key module to separate. Locate the right V3 lifter and insert the end tab into the rectangular holes on the right key module and push it down until it snaps into the slot on the inner front edge of the keyboard. The V-lifters have two hinged legs, which provide keyboard tinting angles of 5, 10, and 15 degrees. Out of the box, the V-lifter is set at the 5-degree tinting angle. For 10 and 15 degree tinting, simply snap the hinged legs of the V-lifter together, forming a rigid V shape. Then adjust between the two angles by flipping the V-lifter back and forth. To go back to the 5-degree tinting angle, pull the short and long support legs apart to release the snaps. To remove the V-lifters, slightly press the squeeze tabs and gently lift up until the two tabs at the other end exit from the square holes. Release the lifter by first pulling up on the curved end.